Welcome back to a new video, guys. Hold on, let me set you up more. I'm back up, so get that out of the way. Must pick up. So today we're gonna just making some supercar, chainsaw, dirt, a little bit of dirt bike, and diesel cells. So today you're gonna need this, my split cup, any kind of cup that's open. Oh yeah, I dip. I do some dip, but I don't want to get it on my table. So, so what I just did is a supercar, noise. And yeah, so I'm gonna have to do not so far. Hold on. So you guys can hear it better, I gotta make a hole. Alright, so supercar. Alright, that was 6.8. I'm gonna do a V8. Starting it up. Starting in the back of the engine. Alright, so she's starting. We're just gonna go. So you never want to use this for the brake. The reason why I know that is because I drive my papa's truck. I know how to put it in park, reverse, neutral, drive, medium, low. So you always put this foot on the gas, and then you'll switch over and push on the brake. So today, hold on. Today, tomorrow, I'm be ripping some slides. So I'll do that noise. You'll hear that noise. She's freaking loud. So yeah, we're gonna do a dump truck noise, and then a diesel truck noise, and then a chainsaw noise, and then a dirt bike noise. So I'm gonna do dirt bike, 2-stroke. Oh, and Harley Davidson motorcycle. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa. Turning the wheel on the old dump truck. I'm doing the dump truck right now. Any cars coming, boys? No. Whap, trap, trap. That's what I'm gonna do on the V8, boys. The old supercar. That's for the end. So that was dump truck. We're gonna do V8. So diesel truck. I'm gonna do chainsaw. Oh, I forgot to do the autograph part. Hey, wife, you still want that pine tree cut? Yep. Alright, I'm gonna cut that some bitch down. Alright, motherfuckers, we're gonna go fucking cut some motherfucking trees down. See ya.